So the next question asked to Sheikh Utaimi, that what about when you're reading books which has got some photographs? Should we cut the photograph? Should we chop off the head? Or should we draw a line over it? Or should we blacken it? So Sheikh Utaimi said that if it's fully a photograph, such books should not be used. But if you're using books for knowledge and matter in text, and in between there are some photographs, then it can't be avoided. It's coming in between, so no need of putting a line, it will carry the same weight. No need of cutting the book, you will miss out many of the material. So if such things are mixed, don't bother about it. You pay attention on the text. It's perfectly all right. Not that you have to cut, like some people who are, you could say that, extra careful. They say you have to cut the photograph or chop off the head. That is the hadith of the Prophet, that when he went to the house, Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, there was a curtain with image. If you want to use that time, you said that you can cut off so that it is separated, the head is separate from the body. But generally in a book where the book is closed and you're reading, whether it be a medical book or whether it be educational book, etc., has few photographs, a person should not bother on that. Hope this answers the question on photography.